What's good? It's your boy Joneses, and welcome back to the channel once again. If you're new here, welcome. You're gonna get to see a lot of heat. And y'all already know, if you've been here before, you know I stay with some type of drip, some type of heat, and it's always hot. So today we got something new. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and leave a comment, talk to your boy. But we got something new today, so I want to go ahead and get right into it. These are the Hyper Royal Air Jordan 14s, and these are gas. So let's go ahead and get them out of the box. So up first, oh my goodness, just look at how beautiful this shoe is. So we got this beautiful leather just all around, and it's this nice white leather with a nice white upper, and then the midsole is this nice royal blue, and it's got this like metallic shine to it. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but it's got this metallic shine to it. Try to get the light on it a little bit, but it's just a super clean shoe, and I'm like super excited to have this shoe. And they dropped today. For a little bit of backstory, they dropped today. Well, if you're seeing this right now, they dropped yesterday, September 18th, if I'm not mistaken. And you could have got them on Finish Line, Foot Locker, Foot Action, Dick's Sporting Goods, just everywhere possible. They had this shoe, and I ended up raffling in Foot Action and Foot Locker, and I hit on both. So I had two pair. I sold a pair. It's crazy. So listen to this. I was in the store, right? I was getting my second pair, and when I went to get my second pair, the dude saw I had another pair in my hand already. So I'm about to walk out. He's like, "Yo, what are you doing with that second pair? Are you keeping them or are you selling them?" I was like, "I'm selling them." He's like, "I'll give you $280 right now." If you look it up, you'll see these shoes only run for like $260 in size 9.5, which is what I had. This is also a size 9.5, and 14s I do wear 9.5. I would say if you're gonna get a pair of 14s, go down half a size, because I feel like they fit a little big. The Toro 14s that are back here in this red box, those fit a little big, and I got a size 10 in those, so I was kind of disappointed. I wanted to size swap, but yeah. So he bought them right off me. They're only going for like $259 right now, $260, something like that. But yeah, he bought them for $280, and I was like, whatever, you can have them. So I sold them right then and there. Had me a good old day at the mall. You know, made some money, made my money back, and profited. So I was pretty happy. But yeah, so we got this nice white upper, and then we got this nice royal blue. Then we got a bunch of hints of black all around the shoe. Now, if you didn't know, the 14s, they were made based off of a Ferrari. So if you didn't know that, now you do. And that's why you see you got this little bubble right here. This bubble right here is kind of like the Ferrari logo, but they got the Jordan logo inside of it, and it's black, white, and it has a nice little silver outline on the Jumpman. So let's go ahead and hit the back of the shoe, and on the back we got that 23 in black, and then we got the Jumpman in black. Then we got this nice white like rubber right here on the back, and it's just really well designed shoe. Kind of dope how they put these shoes together, and I'm starting to love 14s more and more. And there's another colorway, I think it's called like the candy cane colorway. It's the same exact shoe, just instead of blue, it's red, and they're super sick. And I kind of want to start grabbing a bunch more 14s. I know I said I was going to be grabbing a bunch of ones, but I just feel like they've been doing a good job with the 14s. So we got also the white bottom with the blue Jumpman on it, and then we got like a carbon fiber plate right here. And we just got some super sick stuff. The tongue is white, and then the top part of the tongue has this black tab, and then on the tab it has the blue. It says Jordan right there, has a blue Jordan logo, and then on the sides it has this little blue hint right here. Then on the back, XIV, I think that's 14 obviously. No shit. But nah, they got the 14 right here on the back of the tongue. And then I don't know how well you can see it, but the insoles they're blue with the white Jumpman. Super sick. I wonder how well y'all can see that. Just a super sick shoe. I was glad to get them today. They retail for, I think it was $190, and after tax I paid like $203. So I made an $80 profit off the other pair. But as you can see, this shoe is exactly the same. I have already laced them up. And one thing I love about the 14s is they always have like these metal aglets on them. It's so funny. I only know that these are called aglets because of Phineas and Ferb on the show. They had that song about aglets. Don't forget it, AGLET. That's so funny to think about, but that's the only reason I know that that's what they're called. But yeah, they always have these metal aglets, and that's just a nice little hint to have on the shoe and on the laces. I think it's pretty cool. The 12s, they're supposed to have like, they said that they were supposed to have like the lace holes or the lace locks, lace holders, whatever you want to call them, that are on like the top of the shoe. They're supposed to be metal, but the last two pair that came out, they've been plastic. So Jordan, if you see that and you notice that, make sure you check up on that, because it does say in the description that it has metal little eyelets or whatever you want to call them. But yeah, so we also have some white lining. This shoe is just like, it's really, really clean. I know a lot of people, these are really slept on. Like if you want a pair, you need to get them like now, because I feel like when people get them, they're gonna like them even more and more. And it's just a super, super sick colorway. 14s look really nice, and I remember I used to not like 14s, and then I got a pair, and I kept looking at some, and some of them were hard, and these are just sick to me. Like, it's just really clean and put together so well. I know it's not much blue, but it's just enough, and then the white is just like this beautiful cocaine white. Cocaine. I don't know what else to use, and that's all I can think of. Or like powder white, I guess. Pretty much the same thing. But anyways, yeah, it's the same. Like, this white is just super, super clean on this shoe with the black and the blue. And I have a bunch of outfits that I can put together with this. And as you can see, like, this hoodie will go perfectly with them. But yeah, super sick shoe, the Jordan 14 Hyper Royal. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and you know, leave a comment, talk to your boy. But if you enjoyed this video today, because this is all I have for today, then make sure you hit that like button once again. And I hope to see you back. I got a lot more stuff coming in. I got some more shoes that have dropped that I haven't released the videos for yet. But I wanted to get this one out as soon as I could for y'all, so y'all can see it, and so everybody who slept on them can be jealous, because they're super, 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 super clean. Like, really clean, and I love this shoes. This blue is just like, I remember when I was younger, my favorite color used to be red, but I don't know what happened over the couple of years. Over the years, blue has just taken over and been like my favorite color. So I'm glad to have another blue shoe. I've also needed a lot of blue. I don't have much blue stuff, so it's dope to have this nice royal blue. But like I said, this is all I have for y'all today. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like. If you're new and you want to see more heat, subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and it's your boy Joneses. As always, I stay drip. Peace.
I got you by my side while we cruising the ride. Only question is what we gon' do for the night. Try not to fall for you, but fell by mistake like my shoes wasn't tied. Or was it on purpose? Don't question it, baby. Just know that you're worth it. Your ego, the face to your body is perfect. Oh.